The Subaru Outback has long been a popular choice for families, and for 2026, it was redesigned with a little more passenger room. What does that mean for car seats? I'm Jennifer Geiger, Cars.com reviewer, mom of 3, and certified car seat installation tech. I'm going to show you what the Outback does well in terms of car seats and what needs work. First, the Outback has 2 sets of lower latch anchors that are very easy to find and use. They're exposed under this big Velcro flap. There's also an extra anchor in the middle spot that makes this car more flexible, and all of the anchors are really easy to use. Second, this is a really roomy back seat. 2 car seats fit back here, no problem, including the space-hogging rear-facing car seats. I'm 5'6", and I can sit in the front passenger seat ahead of this car seat with no problem. I have plenty of legroom. But there are a couple of issues back here. First, even though this is a nice wide back seat, you cannot fit a car seat in the middle position because of the way the seat is bolstered and because of where the buckle is placed. If you were to put a car seat here, it would sit on top of the buckle, which is not safe. Next, this is not the best buckle setup. If you wanted to install a car seat in the middle spot or even just have someone sit here, the buckle comes down from the ceiling and it blocks the driver's view when in use. Lastly, I don't love these buckles. They're on very short stalks that sink into the seat fabric, so they might be tough for kids to grasp and use independently. While it's not perfect, the new Outback is still a great choice for families when it comes to car seats, thanks to loads of backseat space and easy access anchors. For my full car seat check of the Outback, go to Cars.com/news. And for more expert reviews, be sure to subscribe to the Cars.com YouTube channel.